US President Donald Trump has asserted that the United States is now the world's top energy producer and is rapidly emerging as a major energy exporter. Speaking at the Champion of Coal event on Wednesday, Trump highlighted recent trade agreements with countries including Japan, South Korea, and India, which he said have significantly boosted American coal exports. America is now the number one energy producer in the world. We are becoming a massive energy exporter, Trump said, adding that new trade deals have led to a sharp rise in coal shipments abroad. He also praised the quality of US coal, describing it as the finest available globally. His remarks come amid discussions over India's energy sourcing strategy. On February 9, Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri emphasized that India's energy decisions would continue to be guided by national interest, particularly in light of reports suggesting that New Delhi may be reducing oil imports from Russia. During a special briefing by the Ministry of External Affairs, Misri underlined that India's energy policy is shaped by three key considerations: adequate availability, affordable pricing, and reliable supply. He clarified that procurement decisions are primarily made by oil companies, which evaluate market conditions such as supply, risk factors, costs, and logistical feasibility while adhering to internal accountability standards. Misri explained that energy sourcing involves a complex set of financial and operational considerations. Whether it is the government or businesses, national interest will continue to guide our choices, he said. He also pointed out that India remains a net importer of oil and gas and, as a developing economy, must carefully manage its resource needs and import dependence, particularly given its potential impact on inflation and overall economic stability.